Yes, this team IP flooded us out of the match. Right now, you'll see the round before we get IP flooded. I'm gonna fast forward a little bit. Because they were playing a man down, and then our connection is fine, and then we just get booted out of nowhere. And here's the round I played. Me and Yayo played. No, Yayo already got booted. One of our players already timed. Look, you see a lag right there. I'm gonna fast forward. And me in a 1v1 situation after I just clutched on in the first round. I'm gonna get booted. I'm gonna fast forward to this. Kill one. And when I go in this room, I try to check. Look at that. I'm under the map. Under the map. And then I get booted. I'm under the map, dude.